Okay, back to the site where the track loader is stuck. Sorry, the compactor is stuck. We just observed the successful movement of the track loader pulling the compactor out of the rut. Quite good. Skillful operation, well done, gentlemen. So here we have the track loader coming up from the point of rescue, if you want to call it that. Followed closely behind by the compactor. They're in relatively hard soil now, so they could skillfully maneuver their way out of the anchor trench and the dike, back now on the solid hard ground. And here we had a truck standing by with soil just in case that part of the maneuver was not successful. But no need for that now. The track loader, skillful operator, did a good job. Operated and addressed by Mr. Dubois. Things are good, everybody's breathing easy. Okay. And instructions being given. Sense of what it was all about. The mound you see in the far background, the point where the dark spot that is the point where the track loader was stuck. It was just to remove all the debris from off the sides of the dike. So the dike apparently was quite soft, perhaps influenced by all the rain on the weekend. Nonetheless, the sun down here is usually blaring, so chances are that spot will come relatively hard enough pretty soon. Here comes the track loader once again, sorry, the compactor once again. Solid ground.